अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड, उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आपको बताऊँगी टॉप 7 कंपनीज इन द वर्ल्ड के बारे में। टेन बिगेस्ट कंपनी इन द वर्ल्ड। These are the 10 best companies in the world by 12-month trailing revenue, and they represent a striking diversity of industry. This list is limited to companies that are publicly trading in the US or Canada, either directly or through American depository receipts. Some foreign company may report semi-annually and so may have longer lag time. We add the caveat that two other companies that otherwise will be added to this list are Saudi Aramco, the Saudi state oil company, and State Grid, the Chinese state-owned electric utility. They were omitted because their stocks are not publicly trading in the US or Canada. All data in this story we provided by YC chart and are as of January 2023. Key takeaways: 6 of the world's best companies by revenue and base in the US. Two are Chinese companies. One is German company, another is based in the Netherlands. The top two on the list are the retail giants Walmart and Amazon. The 100 largest company in the world by market capitalization in 2023. Source: more information. Biggest company in the world by market value 2023, with a market capitalization of 2.75 trillion US dollar as of May 2023. Apple was the world's largest company that year. Rounding out the top 5 were some of the world's most recognizable brand: Microsoft, Saudi Arabian oil company Saudi Aramco, Google parent company Alphabet, and Amazon. Saudi Aramco led the ranking of the world's most profitable company in 2022 with a pre-tax income of more than 300 billion US dollars. Coca-Cola company, our financial competitor, further related statistics. Largest company by market cap: Apple, Microsoft, Saudi Aramco, Alphabet, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Telsa, Meta Platform, Facebook, Berkshire Hathaway, TSMC, Visa, LVMH, United Health, JP Morgan Chase, Tencent, Eli Lilly, Walmart, Johnson and Johnson, Exxon Mobil, Mastercard, Samsung, Broadcom, Novo Nordisk, Procter and Gamble, Oracle, Nestle, Home Depot. Largest company in the world. The largest company in the world can fluctuate day to day, even minute by minute, depending what measurement is used. But these giants compete vigorously and are among the world's most admired companies, with Apple stock hitting new highs after announcing its largest innovation in the burgeoning field of virtual reality product. The company is unlikely to be dislodged from its position as the world's largest company by market capitalization anytime soon, yet it has over the years lost the title of world's largest many times to Microsoft, to Amazon, even to Saudi Arabia Aramco. What about Google and Facebook? Pardon, Meta. Only a few companies legitimately compete for the title of the most valuable publicly trading company, and yet the type of company the top the list change with the times. Market capitalization can change quickly, and the year has seen much seesaw in the ranking of the world's biggest company. Microsoft has thrown Apple a few times, most recently in October 2021. Amazon market caps surpassed both of those giants in January 2019. For a year, Apple, also one of the world's most admired company has seen its market cap fall victim to its sales success, while the popularity with consumer of products like iPhones, iMacs, and tablet propelled Apple to new high. Whenever sales appear to slow, its market capitalization suffered. By contrast, Microsoft built itself into one of the world's largest companies with a focus on steady recurring revenue stream. You might not need a new smartphone or laptop every year, but a software licenses, cool computing package, or a video game subscription, meaning organic payment and client stickiness. Then Apple started borrowing from Microsoft Playback. It launched new and cam subscription, a video streaming service, and even its own credit card. Once Apple moved beyond hardware to software and service, its revenue growth became unstoppable. On January 3, 2022, Apple became the first company ever to surpass 3 trillion in market value, and it remains the world's largest today. Market cap leaders change with time. Right behind Apple and Saudi Aramco as the world's second biggest company and a bit of an outlier in the top 10 until a decade ago. Many of the most valuable companies were traditional long-standing blue-chip industrial behemoths like Exxon and Charvian, General Electric, AT&T. Saudi Aramco is in entirely alone. Oil giant ExxonMobil market cap around 14 billion is hanging on in the top 20. Not subsidiary healthcare and finance are represented in the top rank. Berkshire Hathaway leads with the market value of around 728 billion. Visa makes and the top 20 in the market cap of 465 billion. US healthcare giants United Health for 45 billion and Eli Lilly 420 billion are also in the top 10 along with Edin Mac, Novo Nordisk 353 billion. Yet the top 10 are almost all considered tech companies, even if they make things Tesla or sell things Amazon. In that most of the world corporate titans are tech giants that have turned US into steady and predictable revenue stream. Amazon, Google parent company Alphabet, and even Tesla, which has monthly fees of its autopilot and self-driving feature as well as of for its premium connectivity package are certainly among them. Meta, parent company of Facebook, is among the top 20. Expectations today are that the future of world business will be driven by data, AI, personal computer, and other technology. Today, the top 5 are all tech companies with market cap over 1 trillion and make up roughly 20% of the S&P 500 index entire market value. Largest company around the world, although US-based firms dominate the top 20, the world is well represented. In addition to Saudi Aramco as second largest company overall and Novo Nordisk in healthcare, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing TSMC comes in strong with a market value of 530 billion. French luxury retailer LVMH, which in May 2023 became the first European company to surpass a market value of 500 billion, is also among the world's most valuable companies. Another noteworthy company in the top rank is Nvidia, a specialist in gaming, AI, and semiconductor, which recently saw its stock soar to a market capitalization over 1 trillion. Its value has been supported by interest and partnership deals with Microsoft, as well as the widespread execution that AI will be a major source of revenue and growth in the global economic going forward. A successful strategy and product and timing and management aside, the total dollar value of a company outstanding shares can be affected of myriad of an unpredictable factor. It was not too long ago when a controversial tweet by former US President Donald Trump could send us market caps spiraling downward on soaring to new high without much rationale to support the move. Any Federal Reserve chairman can up and stock prices with a few words. Tesla, which make electric vehicles, began 2022 as the world's fifth biggest company by market capitalization and ended the year in 11th place after CEO Elon Musk designed to acquire Twitter. World event West strong fundamentals and then there are unforeseeable and unpredictable events like the COVID-19 pandemic, so-called stay-at-home company in e-commerce and digital platform gained sales and revenue as shut down demands use of new technologies, tourism, stock and live entertainment service plummeted when vaccines become available and the world economic slowly reopened. Revenue flows shifted again, focusing too closely on ever-changing share prices, investor sentiment, and world events rather than on underlying fundamental can be misleading. Warren Buffett, the chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, most valuable company and among the world most admired company, famously said that the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Even these tumultuous time, many business and especially successful companies well established in the industry, such as Microsoft, Google, or Saudi Aramco, are not dramatically different in terms of assist, market share, revenue, cash flow, head count, or even technologies than they were until a year or two ago. The entities list here are not just the world's largest company. There are also many of the world's most admired company, but they are not admired because they are the largest, but for the diverse range of offering technology, innovation, historic past, wise management, customer or investor service. In short, these are companies that deliver of customer and investors. They grow.